Sihoo M18 Assembly Guide. Get ready to assemble. Insert the 5 chair leg tubes into the chair base. Connect them using 10 M6X12 screws. Tighten with the wrench. Insert the wheels into the chair legs. Install the decorative cover and then insert the gas lift into the central hole of the chair base. Put the small shims onto the M6X25 screws. Align the armrest with the seat cushion. Connect them using 3 M6X25 screws with small shims. Tighten with the wrench. Repeat on the other side. Put the small shims onto the M6X20 screws. Align the mechanism with the seat cushion. Connect them using 4 M6X20 screws with small shims. Tighten with the wrench. Put the big shims onto the M8X45 screws. Align the backrest with the seat cushion. Connect them using 3 M8X45 screws with big shims. Tighten with the wrench. Align the gas lift with the hole in the mechanism and insert it into the hole. Insert the headrest into the slot. The assembly is now completed.